All right, the Google Pixel 7a unboxing. It just feels so small currently compared to what I'm used to. Google G on the top, Pixel 7a on the side, Google on this side, and the back just has Team Pixel, Pixel 7a 5G sub 6.1 inch, 128 gigabyte. And yeah, I mean, that's the box is definitely a cheaper quality box than the regular flagship. As I mentioned, I've never had a 7a or any of these. Even these tear tabs are not as, they're like just stickers that tear or something. I don't know, they don't seem the same. So, take the top off, and there she is. Oh man, look at that. Wow. At least I still have my fingerprint reader, and let's take that off. Beautiful, beautiful. So, I mean, coming from a Pixel 6 Pro, I mean, there's a bit of a difference there. Of course, you know, right now it's not going to do it. It'll act normal for me, but to me, it's the back and everything feels almost the same glossy back. I don't take many photos really anymore. Used to, I was a big photo person. Now basically everything I do is video, so that's not that big of a deal. There's not this titanium on the sides, but I don't really care about that. That all looks essentially the same up here. But yeah, I mean, definitely a smaller form factor. It'll take a little getting used to only having a 6.1 inch screen, as this will be weird. So, let's power it on. There should be some charge in here. Let's see, is there any charge in here? No, I think it's actually got no charge from the, oh, there we go. So yeah, definitely a little different. It's gonna take a little getting used to, but it is what it is. Then we have an included USB-C to USB-C cable. Nice that they include that, but of course, no power brick. Granted, you do get a USB-A to USB-C adapter to like transfer. That's nice. And here's your little SIM tray tool. Nothing else in there. And what's in here? Anything good in here? That's it for that. Oh, it has a G logo there. No, just guides. So, I guess this is it. I'm moving over to the Google Pixel 7a. Had to make an unboxing, had to show this.